Hi guys, and welcome to another Essential Wholesale Labs video. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be doing an unboxing of one of our sampler kind of collection packs. I'm going to be going over unboxing rather, which I'm pretty excited about, our organic sampler pack. So all of the products in this pack are certified organic, USDA Certified Organic, which makes them really easy to get certified USDA Organic if you want to sell them. But without any further ado, I'm just going to get in here. Okay. So we've got a really cute little insert here. This thing gives you a really great description on the back of all of the products. The information here is probably pretty similar to what you'd find on the website. The only thing that's going to be missing here is the list of ingredients. I'm going to go over a few highlighted ingredients, but if you want that list, you'll just search the product on our website and you can find that list right there. All right. So digging in here, the first thing that we have is a Turmeric and Neem Scrub and a Dream Crème. We've got our Virgin Coconut Sugar Scrub, Peppermint Toner, Lemongrass Zest Spray, Affirming Hair and Body Oil, and last but not least, our Sweet Orange Essential Oil. So going through these, I think I'll start with just my personal favorite, which is our Turmeric and Neem Scrub. This stuff smells amazing. A highlighted ingredient here is our organic turmeric root powder. That's kind of part of what gives it this amazing color. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. This is a little bit sweet, like the scent smells a little bit sweet, which you might not expect from turmeric, but it is a little bit sweet. To me, a really good addition to this product, if you did want to semi-customize it, is a little bit of sweet basil. I find goes really, really good with turmeric. Another scrub in our set here is our Virgin Coconut Sugar Scrub. And if you like the smell of coconut, this smells exactly like coconuts. I mean, it's amazing. Yeah, smells really good. Both of these scrubs are definitely meant for your body. They're really great for rougher areas like elbows and knees, skin, for your feet and heels. I wouldn't use them on the face. They're not necessarily face polishes. They are sugar scrubs, but definitely fantastic for the body. Going on to our next little jar here, we have one of our most popular products. This is our Dream Crème. And this is a pretty thick cream. It's very, very moisturizing, and it's going to leave, I wouldn't call it a greasy residue. It's definitely not greasy, but it's not the fastest absorbing. So it's for, overnight for really, really, really dry areas. It's really great. It's unscented. So you can definitely customize this however you want by adding any scent you can imagine. Our Sweet Orange Essential Oil, which we'll get to, would be a great one in here. Just kind of dab a little bit. So as you can see by these little peaks, the viscosity of this cream is very thick. So when considering packaging for something like this, you'll probably, oh, that's really nice. You'll probably want to consider a jar, something like this. You might be able to get away with like tubes, but I would avoid, pump tops, like, lotion pump tops or treatment pumps. This cream may be a little thick for that. But as you can see, it leaves your skin shiny and moisturized. And this is unscented and it's beautiful, even just unscented. But great moisturizing cream. Absorbs pretty quickly for how moisturizing it actually is. So next, what do I try next? I think I'll go with our Peppermint Toner. This is one of my favorite toners that we have. And you might think, wow, peppermint, I don't really want to get that near my eyes, but the amount of peppermint essential oil in here is relatively low. We do recommend using something like a cotton swab for applying a toner like this, which is as easy as grabbing your cotton pad, spritzing it a couple times, and then just, cleansing your face like such. And it's really soothing. That little bit of peppermint goes a long, long, long way. It also has organic white willow bark extract, which is just fantastic for your skin. Let's see, how clean is my face right now? I'm pretty clean. All right, so next is our Lemongrass Zest Spray. Obviously, this is for those who like the scent of lemongrass or something similar. I think this pairs really great with the turmeric if you're into more, weedy, herbaceous scents. And I think that this is perfect as a body spray, but you can also use it as a room spray. I don't know about you guys, but if I have someone coming over and I don't have time to tidy up, I'm not a big fan of like chemical things like Febreze and Glade. That's just not my thing. But I'll grab like a body spray that I have in my bathroom and I'll just like spritz my couch cushions or like wherever my dog was sitting last, just to freshen up the area. So this is a body spray. You can certainly use it as a room spray as well. And then our sweet orange essential oil. This is just pure sweet orange essential oil. It's not a blend. It's definitely, I think this is used in our Citrus Burst Essential Oil blend. Correct me if I'm wrong down in the comments below, but I think it's in there. This is a great citrus essential oil. It kind of covers all of those citrus hints that you might want if you're really just not wanting to make a blend. You just want something really simple. This is a really great choice. But it also pairs well with a lot of other citrus essential oils like lime, lemon, bergamot, a lot of those. So give it a smell, grab a sample. But yeah, this could go great in everything. I mean, especially something like the Dream Crème. And last but not least is our Affirming Hair and Body Oil. This is just a really light oil. It absorbs much quicker than something like, the Dream Crème. There's some really fast absorbing oils in here. I think we've got like some golden jojoba oil and a little bit of rosehip. Rosehip's known for its fast absorbing. So I'm just gonna kind of get myself a little bit here. One pump goes a long way. So I do recommend like just give your knuckles and hands a little rub before you get onto your face, or else you might have a little bit too much. But it's really easy to apply. It leaves your skin just kind of shiny and moisturized. And then after I've rubbed it on my face, kind of used the leftover on my hands, I'll just grab the ends of my hair, and that way I don't feel greasy, kind of just get the ends a little bit moisturized as well. And you'll see that that just gives a nice shine to your hair as well. And that's it, guys. That is our absolutely wonderful organic sampler. This is a really fantastic pack. It kind of gives you a little bit of everything. It's impressive how many different products you can make USDA Certified Organic. And all of these products can be packaged and ready to go certified organic as well. Yeah, so if you guys liked this video, please like it, leave comments below. If you want to see more videos like this, let us know, and have a great day.